And my approach to breathing is not about techniques. It's really about, I'm interested in the breathing is our most essential biological process. We are not alive with it. There's no two breaths that are alike. We never know if we're going to get another breath. And it's a template for realizing that everything comes and goes. So there's nothing really worth trying to grab onto because you just think that they don't last. My interest in breathing is not about breathing work. I don't particularly cotton to the word work because it feels like, that's not what breath is about. For me, it's about what's my relationship with my breathing and my body? How do they move together? How is my awareness when I'm aware of the breath moving in and out and how my body is responding and what that tells me about my inner state, the pattern of it, the movement of it, where it moves in my body. And as I develop that intimate relationship, I know what it needs to help self-regulate, and I know what I need from it to help me self-regulate. I feel like the issue is not about fixing my breathing, but by becoming intimate in a relationship with my breathing. And therefore, like any intimate relationship, we get to know each other over time. And that's what I feel like breath is my teacher. And what I do is guide people to be invited into listening to their breath to see what it will teach them. And that's my approach. And most people like that because it's easier. People generally think, well, if I'm going to learn and do breath work, I'm considering, am I doing it right? Am I breathing right? Am I breathing wrong? And as soon as you get into the right or wrong paradigm around breath, it doesn't behave at all the way you want it to behave. It seizes up. It doesn't like to be judged. It likes the freedom to move on its own in appropriate relationship to what you need.
This is Lynn Fraser. Join us for the 2024 Radical Recovery Summit, January 12th to 21st. RadicalRecoverySummit.com